Take a ride in the 2018 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.